warm welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmja Joshi. A young medical student in Jammu and Kashmir is today the target of horrific threats, harassment and abuse. Not just online from Twitter trolls, but from a terrorist group as well that has warned her of consequences. And all of this only because she raised her voice against the pro-Pakistan slogan, the singing of the Pakistan national anthem on the day when India lost to Pakistan in a cricket match. The thing is that while she is still refusing to be silenced by this barrage of abuse and threats, what one is left wondering about is the silence of those who keep speaking up, who keep talking about freedom of expression and the rights of every citizen. Listen to what Ananya had to say about why she refuses to keep quiet even now. किस तरीके से अटैक शुरू हुआ और क्या-क्या बोला गया आपको?
तो एक काफ़ी प्रेशर बनाया जा रहा है that I should not raise my voice and I should not speak on social media platforms. So I would just want to ask everyone that how is it fair that मेरे बोलने से that an Indian speaking for her nation, उसके बोलने से इंडिया के ही लोग जो कश्मीर में पढ़ रहे हैं, जो कश्मीर में नहीं रहते हैं, बाहर से पढ़ने आए हैं वहाँ पे, जो जम्मू के लोग वहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, they will not be safe there. Their careers will be questioned. And मैम मुझे बाकी भी थ्रेट दिए जा रहे हैं. Twitter handle which was being operated from Pakistan shared my picture and Dr. Monica Langay's picture with the open threat to our life. I just want to ask everyone, is this what we should accept? We should be looking forward to after raising our voices. Is this what we should accept living in India?
और आपको ये यहाँ तक बोला गया है, जो आपको जो थ्रेट दी गई है उसमें ये बोला गया है कि ये संघी मेंटालिटी की वजह से, ये संघी है, ये एबीवीपी है. आपने क्यों अपनी आवाज उठाई? जब आपने वो वीडियोस देखे तो आपके जहन में क्या चल रहा था? क्या आपको एबीवीपी ने बोला ये सब बोलने के लिए? क्योंकि इल्जाम आप पे ये लगाया जा रहा है.
Ma'am, the very moment I saw those videos, I was just not able to accept the fact कि एक मेडिकल कॉलेज, that too in India, गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज श्रीनगर में कोई लड़की, कोई कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ लड़कियां कैसे पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद के नारे लगा सकते हैं? How can they support Pakistan, a country which is well known and proved for all the terror attacks that have been done on India? उस कंट्री को कोई सपोर्ट कैसे कर सकता है इंडिया में रह के? आई एम अ रेजिडेंट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड आई एम अ प्राउड इंडियन एंड आई विल मेक श्योर कि जो लोग ऐसा करते हैं उनके खिलाफ स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन हो और उनके खिलाफ हमारी गवर्नमेंट एक स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन ले. क्योंकि अभी अगर हमने अपनी आवाज़ नहीं उठाई तो आने वाले कुछ सालों में हमारी आवाज़ ऐसी ही दबाई जाएगी और ये लोग गवर्नमेंट के पैसों पे, गवर्नमेंट की सब्सिडी से MBBS की डिग्रियाँ के फ्री के मज़े लेंगे. And I just want to add a point. How can we expect these people who are not, who don't love their country, how can we expect them to treat and serve the people of our nation? How can they do so? We cannot expect them. Some people out there are saying that I should support my batchmates and I should feel pity for them that their degrees can get cancelled. I just want to ask them, बैचमेट वो होता है जो आपके कॉलेज में पढ़े और वो कॉलेज भारत में हो. जो लोग आपके भारत के खिलाफ पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करते हैं, एक ऐसे देश को सपोर्ट करते हैं जिसने हमारे इंडिया पर सारे टेरर अटैक्स किए हैं एंड दैट हैव बीन प्रूव्ड, वो लोग आपके बैचमेट कैसे हुए? वो लोग आपके देश में रह के इंडिया के खिलाफ पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद बोलते हैं, पाकिस्तान का नेशनल एंथम बोलते हैं, पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करते हैं, पटाखे फाड़ते हैं, उसके नारे लगाते हैं, वो लोग आपके बैचमेट्स कैसे हुए?
अनन्या, यू आर अ वेरी ब्रेव गर्ल टू बी कंटिन्यू टू स्पीक लाइक दिस. ज़्यादातर लोगों में हिम्मत नहीं होती है कि इतना कुछ उनकी आइडेंटिटी रिवील की जाए. क्या आपको डर लगा जिस तरीके से आपकी फोटो पब्लिक कर दी गई? आपको ऐसे धमकियां आ रही हैं? देयर इज वन टेरर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हिच हैज सेड नॉन कश्मीरी पीपल विल फेस कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. डर लग रहा है आपको?
मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर पूरा भारत मेरे साथ है तो मुझे डरने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत है.
Absolutely, and we have no compunction in saying that we stand with you, Ananya, at this point. Finally, what do you have to say to people who are legitimizing these slogans and saying कि ये ओवर रिएक्शन है, इनके खिलाफ कोई एक्शन नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि हर कोई अपनी मर्जी से सपोर्ट करता है, कोई इंडिया को सपोर्ट करता है, कोई पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम को सपोर्ट करता है. इट्स अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स, इट इज नॉट अबाउट countries or religion.
You can support your favorite team, but you cannot say Pakistan Zindabad. You cannot say Pakistan's national anthem inside a government medical college and be proud of it. You cannot. At last, I just want to say that अंदाज कुछ अलग है मेरे सोचने का, अंदाज कुछ अलग है मेरे सोचने का, सबको मंजिल का शौक है मुझे सही रास्तों का. ये दुनिया इसलिए बुरी नहीं कि यहाँ बुरे लोग ज़्यादा हैं, ये दुनिया इसलिए बुरी है कि यहाँ अच्छे लोग खामोश हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
RP Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins us along with Kashmiri activist Amit Raina. Syed, we have Majid Haidari, political analyst, and Qamar Zaman Chaudhary, leader of the Congress, joining us. And I think the best question has been asked by Ananya herself, Qamar Zaman Chaudhary, where she says that ये जगह बुरी इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ लोग बुरे हैं, ये इसलिए खराब जगह है क्योंकि अच्छे लोग खामोश हैं. क्यों अच्छे लोग खामोश क्यों हैं?
That is a very important question, though. This young girl has put out today, the silent majority, where in 140 billion people, we have got a sizable majority who is silent now against the atrocities, against different communities of people in India, be it the Kashmiris, be it the Tripura Muslims.
Can you for a moment focus on Ananya Jamwal, or do you have to keep doing your ridiculous whataboutery all the time? And since you talk about the silent majority, let me remind you who is in majority in Jammu and Kashmir.
What seems to be ridiculous to you is not ridiculous to me.
Who is the silent majority?
We were made to believe that the removal of Article 370 and Article 375
in
will
Kashmir,
remove terrorism from Kashmir.
In Kashmir, who is the silent majority, Amit Raina? Who is the silent majority? What is ridiculous, Mr. Chaudhary, is that you keep banding about this silent majority, silent majority, silent majority, but when this silent majority is in Srinagar, then it is neither a majority and you are the one who's silent. Amit Raina, who is the silent majority?
We are not silent. We are vocal about it.
I am not.
No, you are vocal only and only about what about
the pseudo-nationalists. We are not worried about whataboutery that you are doing on
anyone who speaks for India,
some people who
anyone who speaks for India in Kashmir, anyone who speaks against Pakistan in Kashmir, anyone who speaks against jihad in Kashmir gets killed. It's always on target. We have seen this for last 70 years. We have seen it in 1890. We have seen it in the last 30 days, where people who support the concept of India, people who are non-Muslims, are kafirs or do not support Pakistan, are always on the hit. 5 lakh Kashmiri Hindus were not thrown out, were not ethnically cleansed because they were not Kashmiris. They were ethnically cleansed because they supported the idea of India. They love to hoist the tricolor. Now the issue is not the match. The issue is not cricket. You can celebrate a good match. You can celebrate winning of a certain team, but you cannot use that opportunity to belittle your own country. You cannot use that opportunity.
And you cannot threaten anyone who speaks up against it. You may find it fabulous when Pakistani anthem is being sung in Kashmir, but Ananya Jamwal has full right to say that I will not allow this to happen. This is against the idea of India. Qamar Zaman Chaudhary.
This is shameful.
Of course, why should the...
This is shameful because
I have got interference coming in. Will you
this
please
is shameful
let
because
me
you
speak?
remember the date was 24th October in 1947.
No,
the
I
same
can't
Pakistanis raped and killed
because I'm on
and
a remote
ethnically
location.
cleansed the minorities.
So I can't
No, why do we have to go back to 1947? We remember what happened since the 2nd of October in 2021, where again people are being singled out, and the reason why it is such a disappointment that you engage in whataboutery after your silence, Mr. Chaudhary, is this. When you have people like Ananya singled out, you know why? It's not just because she's speaking up. Here's the reason why. Because she is told police informer and main culprit is behind schemes FIR and UAPA identified as RSS member. Why she's singled out is because she's told you are a rabid Sanghi. Kashmir is a disputed territory. Being Hindu Satans, you are welcome to Kashmir, but to flush our toilets. This is what is being written to her. That she is a Hindu Satan and she will come to Kashmir only to flush people's toilets. And you are engaging here in whataboutery, sir.
No, Padmaja, you are getting me absolutely wrong. Whatever statements that have been written on our comment, on our Facebook comment or Twitter comment, that is absolutely deplorable. Kashmir is an integral part of India and will remain so.
Sir, you know, your condemnation of this is about as relevant and believable as your condemnation of the lynching of 3 people in Lakhimpur, which your party, by the way, doesn't even recognize. 8 people were killed. They compensated 5. Because you blanked out 3 murders. Similarly, you vocally, Mr. Gandhi yesterday vocally said, we are with the people of Kashmir, but not a word for this woman, this girl who is being abused in this fashion. So, sir, please let us not engage in this empty, I condemn this also and I condemn that also. Because beyond condemnation, you have done nothing. RP Singh.
No, Padmaja, let me finish one thing. Prior to 2014,
okay,
the militancy
finish your point, then RP Singh will respond.
Yes. To such a, let me just finish. A quick point. The youth of the valley, they felt very much part of India. After 2014, what drastically has changed in Kashmir, that now the youth are singing tunes of our enemy country, Pakistan. Can't you do introspection?
If they were so much part of India, why were
insulted the Kashmiris by stripping them of their statehood? You have insulted the Kashmiri people of their right to self-determination. You have insulted the people of Kashmir by making them within their homes, by putting them inside
so RP Singh, because you have insulted Kashmiris, so Ananya Jamwal has to be called a Hindu Satan. That is just the burden that she has to bear because you insulted Kashmiris.
Don't link the issue of that little girl
RP Singh.
with the broader issue out here.
No, why should you talk about the broader issue? Because one girl's life and safety does not matter. Now you want to talk about the broader issue.
Prior to 2014, the youths were de-radicalized into believing that we are belonging to the Indian nation. Now what has changed in the last 7 years that they feel no longer a part of the Indian
So
nation?
if today this young lady is being threatened, it is because of what you did in 2019. Yes, RP Singh.
Padmaja, let me start with first saluting that girl, young girl, and I'm assuring you that everything will be taken care of with her security. I'm very sure that Government of India and Government of Jammu Kashmir will ensure her security because the mindset of the Congress was just seen what he was saying and what he was supporting. He's saying this is pseudo-nationalism. Her taking a stand for country is pseudo-nationalism. And that's what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said in the parliament also. When 370-35 was abrogated, even then he said the same thing. He said that, how can you do it? It's between Pakistan and India. And then how can you take a unilateral decision? That's what Adhir Ranjan, that's their policy is. And then what are they supporting? They're supporting the mindset which was there in Kashmir from years together, that all those Hindus are Valmikis only, and they are supposed to only flush or take care of the toilets of the Muslims. This is the mindset which he's supporting. That's the problem. And be rest assured, sir, you're forgetting that every Friday it used to be flag of ISS in hand and in Pakistan in hand. And stone pelting was at a peak throughout your regime. Now there is not a single stone pelting case which is happening in Kashmir today. And no one dares to raise a Pakistan slogan. I'm saying on record. If he dares, he will have to face the consequences. No one will be spared. He'll have to face the consequences.
And whatever happens to those who have raised the slogans, let it happen, Majid Haidri. But that surely does not mean that this lady should be threatened. Threatened for what? What did she do? To be told that, you are an outsider. She is from Jammu and Kashmir. But just because she is a Dogra, she is an outsider. People will tell her, these outsiders are coming, they are police informers, flush our toilets, you are a Satan. Who are these people to certify who's an outsider and who's an insider?
Certainly you are right. Let's start with this. हंगामा है क्यों? थोड़ी सी आतिशबाजी डाका तो नहीं डाला Well, I certainly do. The harassment of Jambal.
पाकिस्तान क्या होता है?
Sir, kindly.
पाकिस्तान क्या होता है? माजिद हैदरी, आप आतिशबाजी कहते हैं उसको? आप जियो जियो पाकिस्तान के नारे लगाएंगे वहां पर?
Sir, I am coming to that. 30 seconds, sir. Certainly condemn Ananya Jambal.
माजिद हाजी, पहले आप इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें करने से पहले अपना वाईफाई आप ठीक कर लीजिए, फिर आपके पास वापस आऊंगी. बट यस, आप अपना वाईफाई पहले सही कर लीजिए, फिर आपकी बात सुनेंगे. Amit Raina, the bigger problem over here is that anyone who speaks up, and this is a dangerous trend, freedom of expression cannot be relative. That जो GHMC में हो रहा है वो सब freedom of expression है. आप पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद भी बोलिए, आप जीवे जीवे पाकिस्तान भी बोलिए, आप गो इंडिया गो भी बोलिए, पर जब कोई दूसरा आदमी बोलता है कि ये इंडिया में बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा, तब आसमान गिर जाता है. That cannot happen.
See, I'll give you an anecdote. Few months back, I met a very prominent personality from Kashmir in Delhi. And he told me, Pandit ji, वापस कब आ रहे हो? I said, soon. He said, when you come back, you will speak our language. I said, you are sitting in Delhi, am I asking you to speak my language? But that's the mindset. They want you to speak their language, and their language is Jeeve Jeeve Pakistan and sing a Pakistan national anthem. Unfortunately, the problem is with government of India, with BJP, that they are treating jihad as lack of development. It is jihad in Kashmir which is being waged, and you will have to tackle jihad as jihad only. Do not give it some other name. And to tackle jihad, the first step you have to do is to de-radicalize the youth, which is the main problem in Kashmir Valley. Every year you have more than 100 people picking up guns coming from the valley and indulging in all this nonsense. All the Twitter hate which you're seeing on that girls wall or on the Facebook wall, all is originating from the valley. So there is a problem, and these same Kashmiris expect a secular, neutral behavior in Delhi with them. But when you go back to a place which has a majority of Muslims, they want you to speak what they want.
Why, Majid
to
Haidari?
hear, and they want you to
You will
say
decide what freedom someone has to have for what kind of speech.
You are a very prominent journalist. I mean, the world knows you. This is the case of Ananya being targeted by quote-unquote Islamists. One is Dr. Ananya Jambal, targeted by quote-unquote Islamist Kashmiris, and the other is Ananya Pandey, targeted by quote-unquote Samir Dawood.
Arey, you please stick to the point.
Why do you have two
Why do you have to go all over the issue, drag in Ananya Pandey, then Samir Dawood Wankhede, then Dawood Ibrahim, then Anis Ibrahim? You stick to the point.
No,
I don't need a bhashan from you. You stick to the point.
No, it's not about bhashan. Why two yards?
It is about bhashan.
She too has been harassed.
No, it has got nothing to do with anything that you are saying right now. It has got nothing to do with anything. Do you have anything of value to add to this discussion, or do you want to just waste the next 5 minutes going around the world with matching names?
Why do we need a UAPA case for a simple cricket match? If that is the kind of animosity we have with...
Bilkul, you will need a UAPA case, Majid Haidari, because people need to understand there is a limit to everything. This country is not going to tolerate the nonsense of Jeeve Pakistan. This country is not going to tolerate, and if you don't put a full stop now,
why do you need UAPA for simple match? RP Singh,
हम शर्मिंदा हैं, तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं. भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे. This is going to stop now.
You chant that slogan
going
here,
to stop
right
now.
And ensure that you are behind bars
आज ही
tonight.
लगेगा.
What are you talking about? What?
RP Singh, you are trying to leave me on the show. This is not right. At least show some decency on the show.
Sir, I'm saying you, I'm daring you, please do that. वो पाकिस्तान के मैच की बात कर रहे हो. I dare you to chant that slogan. You be behind bars tonight.
Do we have? Is India's pride more important than some cricket match? To hell with cricket match. To hell with ICC.
I say openly, but you dare not chant Pakistan here. You dare not demean my country. You dare not demean my country, and no one dare to do that.
I am talking about my country's pride. You are talking about your dirty politics. You are doing it all
Including
because of
Majid
UP
Hydari.
election.
Do you also
I stand
agree
for
that
my
this is an
country.
overreaction,
Majid
Qamar
Hydari
Zaman
is
Chaudhary?
cricket
Do you
cricket
think this is an
in
overreaction
Pakistan.
that the poor
if
children are being
I-
victimized by booking them for raising slogans?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Padmaja, I do relate to my student life during 6th of December 1992 when I had to save my life by climbing on the rooftop tank. That was the situation in the hostel. Youth in this age are charged and overcharged sometimes. They are very much emotional. But then bringing in the UAPA, stringent actions like the under the UAPA for some slogan raising, you are avoiding the broader question how these youths are becoming radicalized. These youths have long been mentally and emotionally, they have been brought back into the mainstream. They were de-radicalized during the UAPA time to some extent. But now what has happened so badly
Don't give me
that
this
this
bullshit.
youth
I have
today,
spent scores of nights with fear in my eyes, with terrorists standing outside my home, with fear about my sisters and my mother. मैंने कभी जाके हिंदुस्तान मुर्दाबाद नहीं किया, मैंने कभी जाके पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद नहीं किया. ये ज्ञान किसी और को दीजिए आप. You cannot find an excuse, a failure of the government to abuse
wait.
India.
So let me
Your own
ask you
nation.
this. Let me
Sorry,
ask you
this is
this.
not
Let me ask you this.
acceptable.
Qamar Zaman Chaudhary, क्या करना चाहिए था? What should have been done?
Nothing.
Padmaja, the only solution that Rahul Gandhi says is to spread love, the message of love. You
Then
cannot
you know
win
what you
Kashmir by
should do
considering
along
it
with
as a
Mr.
real
Gandhi
estate.
and Majid
No,
Hydari,
wait,
who is
let me
nodding
finish. When you are
vigorously.
asking a question-
All three of you should immediately
No.
go to Udaipur, where a lady teacher, for uploading her WhatsApp status
Now, who is doing-
as
who is-
we won,
Who is doing what?
she
What
has
about
been
she out
arrested,
here?
sir.
No, Padmaja, who
Udaipur
is
in
doing what about
Rajasthan,
she out
where the
here?
Ashok
You are
Gehlot
speaking Kashmir,
government,
you
led
come
by
to
the
Rajasthan,
Congress is
then
in
I will take
power,
you to Tripura.
has
No, this is not
arrested a school teacher after booking her under 153 and 153A of the Indian Penal Code, which is for rioting. You know why? Because she uploaded her WhatsApp status on the night of India's loss to Pakistan and she said, we won. तो आप अपनी प्यार की राजनीति लेकर के फौरन से उदयपुर जाइए, जहां पर उनको ना सिर्फ स्कूल से उनकी छुट्टी की गई है, बट उनको अरेस्ट भी किया गया है. अमित रैना, दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ हिपोक्रेसी. आप इतने खामोश हैं कि आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि आपके खुद के राज्यों में क्या हो रहा है. Amit Rana. And also, just by the way, let me understand how you have again come back somehow. This is the beauty, Amit Rana, that we have suddenly also been steered back to the atrocities on these children booked under UAPA. But nobody wants to focus even on this show on a death threat against a 22-year-old girl. That is how the debate is steered. Amit Rana.
It is for the Jammu and Kashmir police to look into.
This is hypocrisy of government. This is hypocrisy of government of Congress is very clear. They had time to go to Lakhimpur to meet the people who died in a riot or arson or whatever, but they did not even have a word for innocent civilians killed in targeted killing in Kashmir. The Janyodhari Brahman of Congress did not even have a word about the people being killed from his own community. They have all the sympathy for the people who are against this country. And I need to tell and remind everyone who speaks against India, who speaks Pakistan jive, they need to be arrested now because आपको अंकुश आज डालना है. If you don't do it today, if you don't put a full stop today, the same gang will be tomorrow standing at India Gate, at Jantar Mantar and saying भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे, भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे. अफजल तेरे कातिल जिंदा है, हम शर्मिंदा है.
You know, it's wonderful that people here would want to have pyar ki rajniti and spread love. Then please show some love to people who are living under actual threat to their life, not sitting in colleges, enjoying all the benefits of the Indian state, and rightly so. This is, again I say, this is not any favor being done. All of them are Indian citizens. But while enjoying benefits of the Indian state, only in India can you say, go India, go back. And on the other hand, somebody who is living in India and speaking for India is being threatened as a Hindu Satan and a Sanghi bigot who will have to face consequences. Please show that girl some love as well. I'm going to end it at that, again saying that there are people who have reached out to Ananya Jamwal because she deserves all the support that she can get Or, as she herself said, if this time people stay quiet, if she is shut down, then that will mean that her voice will be lost forever, along with other voices like her. Don't let that happen. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for joining me.